Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, we will go over can lights. Be sure to have the following tools handy before you begin: a light bulb changing kit and a sturdy ladder tall enough to reach your recessed can fixtures. Recessed can lights are the most common fixtures that illuminate your path throughout your Taylor Morrison home. From time to time, your bulbs will burn out and will need to be replaced. Before you remove your light bulb, make sure that your dedicated wall switch is turned off. Next, extend your pole and give it a twist to lock it in place. Reach up and get a hold of your spent bulb, twisting it off in a counterclockwise motion. Be careful not to drop the bulb as you carefully bring it down within your reach. Now, discard the spent bulb and set your new bulb inside the basket. Aim and extend the pole, carefully fitting the threads into the light socket. Once you have established a good fit, tighten your bulb into the socket, but not too tight. Remove the tool and test your new bulb with the wall switch. For a more streamlined or uniform look, you can swap out your can fixtures with new LED disc light fixtures. Installation is easy, but you must take precautions and turn off the dedicated breaker associated with your overhead lights before you begin. Remove your old bulb from its socket. Then carefully remove the old trim kit that fits into your ceiling. Disconnect the threaded plug from your new kit and twist it into the empty socket recessed into the ceiling. Next, connect your plug into the new LED disc light, attach the locking springs, and press into your ceiling for a nice tight fit. Turn your breaker back on, and once again, test your new light fixture with your wall switch. Just a note, if you have a dimmer switch assigned to this fixture, make sure the LED is described on the packaging as dimmable.
Taylor Morrison, homes inspired by you.